Right, hello. Right, the rocket boiling cooker. To start off with, you need to fill the cylinder with water. So it goes in this area here. Now it must be filled right up, or at least half full. Take that as an insulator. So once you fill that up, as we've pre-filled this already, close the little cap off. Then we put some paper in the centre. And this can be then lit. Then we put some small bush sticks down through the top. You don't need to use small bush sticks, size of your little finger. Right, and we slowly feed the sticks in once your fire's going in the front. So this allows the air to flow underneath. And as the fire burns, you slowly push those in. Now the windshield goes on, clips on like that. You've got two different heights. So this one would be ideal for the wok to sit on. Or you can actually put a frying pan on. Okay, good. Right, we'll put the wok on there. Put the chicken in. Nice marinated chicken. And I should stop it there. Yeah, right. Okay, our fire with a heat gun at the top is around 160 degrees or 180. Now if we go underneath to the embers, this heat gun goes up to 500 and it's over 500 degrees Celsius. Alright, with your fire, if you face it towards the direction of the wind, you'll find it'll draw better. Now if it does slow down, there's a build up of ash underneath, so just get a little stick in there and just clear some of the ash out so the air draws through there. And with the windshield, if you put it towards the back, you'll find it'll fire will draw a lot better. Now the chicken's just about ready, so we'll put some vegetables in there. And then we'll leave that for a little while to cook and it'll be all ready. Okay. Right, it's all ready. So take that off the cooker. Right, it's our lunch cooked. So we better have a coffee with that. So time for a coffee. And that's a rocket boil and cook all done.